Comparison of rational numbers. How do we compare? That means, what do you mean by comparison? What do you mean by comparison? Already we have discussed in the previous classes. Comparison means whether it is less than, greater than, equal to. These three symbols only we use in comparison. Okay, right. Compare minus 3/7 and 4/7. Here, minus 3/7 and 4/7. These are two rational numbers we have to compare, which is greater number and which is a smaller number. Otherwise, these are equal, we have to check. Here, both the denominators are same, that is 7. That means, whichever the numerator is smaller, then that fraction will be smaller fraction. Which numerator is smaller? Minus 3 is obviously smaller. So, we can say that minus 3/7 is less than 4/7. Minus 3/7 less than 4/7. Otherwise, any negative number, negative rational number is always less than positive rational number. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. If we observe these rational numbers, all these are like fractions. That means denominators are same. Okay. Now we can consider only numerators. Whichever the smaller number is there, that fraction is smaller number. Here, negative numbers are there, minus 1 and minus 3. So, first minus 3 is the smallest number. After that, minus 1 is the smallest number. After that, 5. Next 7. Next 8. So, by 12. By 12. This is the order, ascending order. Ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Already we have discussed. What do you mean by descending order? Big to small. These are ascending order and descending order. Compare the fractions. Here in the previous question, denominators are same. In this question, denominators are different. That means these are unlike fractions. How do we compare? We know the concept of LCM. By using that concept, we can solve this question. 2/5 and 3/7. These are two different fractions we have to compare. First, take the LCM of denominators, that is 5 and 7, 35. Both are co-prime numbers, so we have to multiply. 7 2s 14 and 5 3s 15. So, this can be written 14/35 and 15/35. Now, I changed these fractions into like fractions. Now, I can easily say that this is the smaller one and this is the bigger one. That means, what is the base fraction of this one? 2/5 is less than 3/7. Okay, right. Otherwise, directly we can solve this question by using a simple technique, cross multiplication. 2/5 and 3/7. First cross multiply. This is 14. This is 15. 14 is smaller. Therefore, this fraction is smaller fraction. Okay, right. Compare the fraction minus 3/5 and minus 15/16. Just cross multiply. Minus 3/5 and minus 15/16. Cross multiply. 16 4s, or 16 3s, 48. And 5 15s, 75. This is minus and this is minus. Which is the smallest one? Minus 75 is the smallest one. Therefore, minus 15/16 less than minus 3/5. Otherwise, you can check this by LCM method also. 15 into 6, 80 LCM. Minus 48 and minus 75. This is minus 48 by 80 and minus 75 by 80. Which is the smallest? Minus 75 is the smallest. Therefore, 15 by minus 15 by 16 is the smallest fraction in this. Compare the following rational numbers. Compare this. First cross multiply. 105. This is 117. Therefore, I can say that 7 by 9 is less than 13 by 15. Here also just cross multiply. Minus 24 and minus 14. Minus 24 is a smaller number. I can say that minus 3 by 7 is less than minus 2 by 8. Let's see the next one. Compare these. Just multiply, cross multiplication. This is 105 and this is 117. 7 by 9 is less than 13 by 15. Arrange the following rational numbers into ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order here? Ascending order means small to big. If two numbers are given, we can directly say that by using cross multiplication. If more than two numbers are given, we use the concept of LCM. Take the LCM of these numbers. 5, 6, 15, 12. Find here. 5, 6, 15 and 12. Okay. 5 and 15. 5 is the factor of 15. Therefore, LCM is 15 for 5 and 15. 6 is a factor of 12. So, 12 is LCM of 6 and 12. So, now 15, 12. Find the LCM. 3 5s, 3 4s. Now, multiply. 4 5s, 20. 23 is 60. LCM is 60. 5 12 60. 12 3 is 36. 6 10s, 10 into 4, 40. 15 4s, 4 into 13, 52. 12 5s, 5 7s, 35. We can say that 36 by 60, 40 by 60, 52 by 60 and 35 by 60. These all are like fractions. So directly we can say that which numerator is smaller, then that is the smallest one. Small to big, ascending order, small to big. First write the 35 by 60 less than 36 by 60 less than 40 by 60 less than 52 by 60. Okay, right here. 35 by 60, that means 7 by 12. 7 by 12 less than 36 by 60, that means 3 by 5. Less than 40 by 60, 4 by 6. Less than 52 by 60, that is 13 by 15. This is the ascending order of these fractions. Okay. Let's see the next one.